Hey everybody, welcome to Food with Dev. If you're like me, you need coffee to get your day started. Buying it from Starbucks or a fancy espresso machine can get very expensive. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make a strong, tasty, and cheap Vietnamese coffee right at home. To do this, you'll need a Vietnamese coffee filter, and this is what it looks like. You can get one at your local Asian grocery store, or if you don't have one near you, I'll drop a link in the description below. Next, you'll need coffee grinds. The go-to brand is Trung Nguyen. This comes from Vietnam and is what most coffee shops and restaurants uses. Another popular brand is from the French coffee makers Café du Monde. However, I prefer the taste of Trung Nguyen. You can't really go wrong with either one. You'll need sweetened condensed milk. You can use any, but growing up in a Vietnamese household, this is the OG brand. Ice, this is optional. You can drink it hot or cold, but in today's video we're going to make it cold. Hot boiling water, about 12 to 16 ounces. And last but not least, 15 minutes, which is how long it'll take to make this. Most of the time is waiting for the coffee to drip. In the meantime, you can be doing other things, like subscribing to this channel, commenting down below, and liking this video. Okay, let's begin. Grab a cup and put 2 to 3 tablespoons of sweetened condensed milk. At home, we make small holes on the lid so that we can store the remaining milk in the fridge and it's easier to pour. You can do this by using a can opener and prying it open. For this video, I'm making 1 espresso shot, so if you want more, just double the dose, so 3 to 4 tablespoons of condensed milk for a doppio. This part is more of a personal preference. Some people like it sweeter and some people like it bitter. I'm going for the bitter taste, so I'm adding less milk. The next part involves a Vietnamese coffee filter. For those that have never used this before, I want to break down of what it consists of. It comes with 4 pieces: the lid, the press, the piece where the coffee grinds go into, and the filter. Now you want to place the coffee filter on top of the cup with milk. Add 2 to 3 teaspoons of coffee grinds. This equates to 1 espresso shot. I'm going to be dumping in 3 heaping scoops. You can add more depending on your caffeine tolerance. Shake the filter gently so that it can settle and spread evenly. Then you want to use this piece to gently press down against the coffee grinds, but not too tightly. With the press inside, you want to add a little bit of water. We do this so that the coffee grinds can absorb the water and expand. By expanding, we're able to extract a more rich flavor. After about 10 seconds, or when the water is completely drained, slowly add more boiling water into the filter. Not all the way, about 75% to the top. Cover the lid and now we wait. After about 5 to 7 minutes, the coffee should be ready. A neat little trick is to place the filter on the lid so that it doesn't make a mess. And now we stir so that the milk and coffee can blend. It should have a nice light brown color to it. Now pour into a glass with ice. Lastly, give it one good mix. And there you have it. Now you know how to make Vietnamese iced coffee. You can also make Vietnamese black coffee using this method. You want to repeat the same steps as earlier, but rather than using condensed milk, just add a couple of teaspoons of sugar and then give it a good stir. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like it, comment down below, and subscribe for more content. Also, check out my other video on coffee using an espresso machine. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.